Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Rosemary oil can stimulate scalp circulation and support hair growth. Multiple studies report measurable improvement in hair density after consistent use. One trial found rosemary oil comparable to low-strength minoxidil for some users. The active components are cineol and rosmarinic acid, which target scalp inflammation and follicle health. Use evidence-based amounts and safe dilution to reduce irritation risk. This video updates practical steps based on latest safety and effectiveness guidelines. Always dilute rosemary oil to 2% or lower in a carrier oil. For a 2% solution, use 12 drops of rosemary oil per 30 ml carrier oil. Suitable carriers include jojoba, coconut, and sweet almond oil, depending on skin type. Do a 48-hour patch test on the inner forearm before scalp use to check for reactions. Mix in a clean glass bottle and shake before each use to ensure even dilution. Store away from heat and light to preserve potency and prevent oxidation. Massage diluted rosemary oil into the scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Apply with fingertips using gentle pressure and circular motions to increase blood flow. Leave on for at least 30 minutes or use overnight with a shower cap for deeper absorption. Use diluted oil 2 to 3 times weekly for 6 to 12 months to evaluate effect. Avoid eyes and broken skin. Discontinue if severe irritation or allergy appears. Pregnant or nursing individuals should consult a clinician before using essential oils.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.